Everybody, Matt here for Leighton Sports Cards, ripping 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo 4-box break number 3, random divisions. There's another look at the random results. All right, here we go. Good luck. All right, all card ship. There's Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. DeGrom, Rod Carew, Tariq Skubal, Prism Refractor, rookie, and Byron Buxton. Jacob DeGrom, Andres Jimenez, 86, rookie. And White Sox, rookie refractor auto, Dane Dunning, $4.99. Go White Sox. Bellinger refractor. That's AL Central. Yeah, sorry, Sean. That wasn't a very good case. There's Brian Hayes on the Topps Chrome Black. Or that second clearly. That first clearly was incredibly good though. Brendan McKay, Ryan Yarbrough Prism, Anderson Tejeda, rookie refractor. There's Vlad, Christian Yelich, and Rays, rookie auto, Josh Fleming. Thanks, Jacob. Appreciate that. There's Kyle Lewis, refractor. Jackie Bradley. That's Lewin Diaz, rookie Prism refractor, and Chris Archer refractor. Or Rays was AL East. Forgot divisional. Next up is Tier 1 baseball divisions. It's Leody Taveras, Arosa Reyna, Alec Baum, 86 rookie. Zach Greinke, Aqua, that's to 199. And Verlander. There we go. They're just a little sticky. Jazz Chisholm, rookie. Oh, hang on. A couple of them sticking here. There we go. It's Pete Alonso, Prism refractor, and AL Central again. That's rookie auto, Cody Heuer. Go AL Central. There's Keuchel. All right. Flaherty. Blackman. There's Mike Trout, promising power. Jake Cronenworth, 86 rookie. And Brady Singer, 86 rookie green, should be to 99. It is. Nice one, Royals. Max Kepler. It's Prostar Gratterall. John Means. And NL West, rookie auto, Ashton Goudeau. Or Gaudeau. I'm going with Goudeau. For now. There's Miggy Refractor. Pitcher box so far. Sorry, these cards are just a little sticky. There's Tatis, Lubob, 86, and Escobar Refractor. Braylon Marquez, William Contreras, Ryan Weathers, rookie Prism Refractor, and AL Central, rookie Auto Aqua, Chris Bubik. It's to 199. You go AL Central. There's Dean Kramer, rookie Refractor. Yeah, man, I appreciate that. It's Alex Kirilloff, Gonsolin, Luis Garcia, and pink Xander Bogaerts. That is to 350. Red Sox. There's Brandon Crawford. All right. Here we go. Box 2. Let me check on our spots. What's up, Chris? Thank you. Two and 3 to go on Pristine Baseball. Mike Trout. Tanner Houck. Jose Altuve, Rougned Odor, and Jose Abreu. Sorry, a little slow going through these. They're not sticking, like, they're not damaging each other. They're just a little sticky. There's Brian Hayes, rookie. So I'm just taking my time going through them so nothing gets messed up. There's Pete Alonso, 86. This is AL West, rookie auto, Kyle Cody. There you go, AL West. There's Goldschmidt Refractor behind it. All right, time for some batters now. Dansby, Nico Horner, Correa, Yelich. So Tani, Campusano, Fernando Tatis Jr., 86. And this is NL West rookie Blue Wave auto, Jorge Oña. There you go, NL West. That is to 150. Blackman. First batter auto so far. Posada, there's Jorge Alfaro, and Jared Walsh. 6 to go in Tier 1 random divisions, and then our pristine pick your team style breaks have just a few left, 2 and 3. It's Gavin Lux, Aaron Judge, and pink Austin Riley. Nice pink to $3.99, Austin Hayes. So we have 10 and 15 to go on Bowman Jumbo pick your teams, and then that's 22 Bowman Jumbo. And then our 21 Bowman Draft Jumbo 2-box random teams has 11 to go. 25 to go on 21 Bowman Jumbo 2-box random teams. Come on. And then the last break of the day, 18 Bowman Chrome Hobby. There's Jake Cronenworth, rookie Prism Refractor. And AL West rookie auto, Nivaldo Rodriguez. It's Anderson Tejeda, rookie refractor. But 18 Bowman Chrome Hobby 4-box random teams has 17 to go. It's our last break of the day. Come on. It's Justin Upton. Luke Voigt. There's Ryan Mountcastle, 86 rookie, and Kyle Lewis refractor. Come on. It's Clark Schmidt. Zach Gallen. There's Joey Bart, rookie Prism refractor, and NL Central rookie auto, Will Craig. Pirates hit for the NL Central. Ramirez refractor. Harper. There's William Contreras. Come on. Gleyber Torres, Joe Adell, 86 rookie, and Jock Peterson. So again, all cards ship. Just going through these slowly to make sure I safely unstick the sticky ones. All right. So Alex Kirilloff. Prism Refractor, Starling Marte, and NL East. That is Purple Refractor, rookie auto, Ali Sanchez. 250, nice one, Mets. And Jazz Chisholm, rookie refractor behind it. All right. Yes. Sorry, guys. I'm having to peel like each card just a little bit. It's Dylan Carlson, 86 rookie. And David Dahl, pink to $3.99. Sunny gray. All right. Here we go. Box 3. Like dust. I don't want to jinx myself, but this pack not sticking at all. Yasmani Grandal. There's Davy Garcia, rookie Prism Refractor, and Jorge Alfaro. Dean Kramer. Wilson Contreras, Kyle Lewis, 86, and AL West, rookie auto, Andre Scrub. AL West. Jake Cronenworth, rookie refractor. So not many spots left for the day. Looks like Pristine Baseball 4 boxers have 1 and 3 to go. It's Kyle Lewis, Fernando Tatis Jr., Prism Refractor, and Jake Cronenworth, rookie negative refractor. Nice one, Padres. Yachty. There's Mike Trout, 86. And NL West, rookie auto, Luis Basabe. It's Mondesi. Acuna. David Ortiz. There's Walker Buehler Prism. Salvi. There's Alec Baum rookie. Jordell, Devin Williams, Casey Mize, 86 rookie, and Yordan Alvarez blue refractor. It's the 150. John Lester. All right, I'm ready for a super or red. Preferably with ink, but I'll take either. Pache rookie. Joey Bart rookie. Sixto Sanchez rookie Prism refractor, and AL West rookie purple refractor auto to 250. Jonah Heim. There you go, AL West. Dane Dunning rookie refractor. Six to go on Tier 1 Baseball Random Divisions. 1 and 3 to go on Pristine. Bowman Jumbo. That's 22 Bowman Jumbo. 4 boxers. Pick your team style. We have 10 and 15 to go on those. Reese Hoskins. There's Brady Singer, 86 rookie, and Max Scherzer. Dylan Carlson rookie. Dylan Cease, colors, and this is NL Central. Rookie auto, JT Brubaker. NL Central. Puck. Jesus Sanchez. Edgar Martinez. There's Juan Soto, 86, and Sherton Apostle, rookie refractor. Lubob. Luis Arias, and AL West, rookie auto, Aaron Fletcher. AL West. It's Clevenger. Seems like the same 2 or 3 divisions have got just about all the hits. Lou Bob, there's Shohei Ohtani, 86, and Michael Conforto, pink, 399. All right. Last box. Let's finish strong with a big hit. Juan gone, Andrew McCutchen, and Josh Donaldson. All right, sorry. Freddie Freeman, Arenado. And this is NL East, rookie auto, Trevor Rogers. NL East. Willie Castro. Extra top loader there. Next one there. Here we go. Bo Bichette, Dalton Varsho, rookie Prism Refractor, and Isaac Bradis, rookie Refractor. Sean Murphy, there's Acuna. Sixto Sanchez, 86 rookie. And NL West, rookie auto, Zach McKinstry. NL West. There's Alec Bohm, rookie. Joe Adell, rookie. Acuna. Christian Pache, rookie Prism Refractor. And George Springer. There's Pache, rookie. Joey Bart, rookie. Willie Castro, DeGrom, and Charlie Blackmon, purple refractor. There's Albert Pujols, refractor. Oh, sorry, this chrome dust is itching my face. Redemption. There's a Juan Soto, prism refractor. And redemption is NL East, rookie auto, Keegan Aiken. AL East, Orioles. It's Flaherty. All right, we are due for a big hit here. Dylan Carlson. Rendon. There's Joey Bart, 86, and Alex Verdugo. We do personal boxes on the main channel after the group breaks each evening, except Sundays. We don't do them Sunday evening, but we do them all day on Sunday during the daytime. That is NL West, rookie refractor auto to 499, Luis Basabe. you go. NL West, Shane McClanahan, rookie refractor. Blue Bob, there's Juan Soto, Xander, and Austin Riley, Green Wave to 99. So, yeah. Lewis Brinson, 2 packs to go. And we'll do a hit recap at the end. David Peterson, Moustakas, and this is AL Central rookie auto, Brian Garcia. AL Central, Dane Dunning refractor. Mountcastle, Sean Murphy, Ronald Acuna, 86, and Spencer Howard, rookie blue refractor to 150. Phillies, NL East. Max Scherzer on the back. All right, let's recap the hits. We had AL Central. These are all rookie autos. AL Central, Brian Garcia. NL West refractor, Luis Basabe. AL East, Keegan Aiken. NL West, Zach McKinstry. NL East, Trevor Rogers. AL West, Aaron Fletcher. NL Central, JT Brubaker. AL West, Purple, Jonah Heim. NL West, Luis Basabe. AL West, Andre Scrub. NL East, Purple, Ali Sanchez. NL Central, Will Craig. AL West, Nivaldo Rodriguez. NL West, that's Blue Wave, Jorge Oña. AL West, Kyle Cody. AL Central, Chris Bubik. That is Aqua. This is NL West, Ashton Goudeau. AL Central, Cody Hewer. AL East, Josh Fleming. And AL Central, refractor, Dane Dunning. That'll do it for the break. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Tier 1's up next.